In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently increase your Google Ads budget. This skill is crucial for anyone looking to scale their advertising efforts and drive more traffic to their website, product, or service. So whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, sit back and let's dive into the process together. The first thing you want to do is navigate to your Google Ads overview page. This is your command center where you can get a bird's eye view of your campaigns, performance metrics, and more importantly, where you manage your budgets. If you're not sure how to get there, no worries. Simply log into your Google Ads account and you should land right on the overview page. Once there, your next step is to click on the Campaigns tab. This tab will take you to a list of all your running campaigns. If you've got multiple campaigns going, this is where you can keep an eye on each one's performance, adjust settings, and of course, manage your budgets. After clicking on Campaigns, you're going to click on it once more. It might seem redundant, but this ensures you're viewing the campaigns themselves and not any auxiliary settings or data that won't help us in this task. Next, you'll need to identify the specific campaign for which you want to increase the budget. Once you've found it, look for a cogwheel icon associated with that campaign. This icon is a gateway to further customizing your campaign settings, including the budget options we're focusing on today. Clicking on this cogwheel icon brings us to a crucial part of our journey. Here you'll find the option labelled Budget. This is what we've been aiming for. The budget setting controls how much you're willing to spend on this particular campaign, determining its scope and reach. Now this is where the magic happens. Upon accessing the budget option, you'll be presented with the ability to adjust how much you're spending. Want to double down on a campaign that's performing exceptionally well, or maybe spread your resources a bit more thinly across multiple campaigns? This is where you make those adjustments. Carefully consider your current spend and performance metrics before deciding on the new budget. It's always wise to increase in increments unless you have solid data supporting a more substantial bump in spending. As you adjust your budget, take a moment to reflect on the potential impacts. Increasing your budget can lead to more views, more clicks, and ideally, more conversions. However, it also means your daily or monthly advertising costs will go up. Be sure to balance ambition with prudence, ensuring your marketing investments are both bold and wise. After you've entered your new budget amount, confirm the changes. And just like that, you've successfully increased your Google Ads campaign budget. It's a simple process, but one that holds the power to significantly amplify your advertising efforts. Remember, the digital marketing landscape is always evolving, and what works today might not tomorrow. Continually monitor your campaign performance, adjusting not just budgets but bidding strategies and targeting options as well to ensure the highest return on investment. In conclusion, increasing your Google Ads budget is a straightforward process that can have a profound impact on your campaign's performance. Whether you're looking to capture additional market share, boost sales, or simply increase brand awareness, managing your ad spend effectively is key. So take this knowledge, apply it wisely, and watch as your digital marketing efforts reach new heights. Thank you for joining me today. Keep optimizing and see you in the next tutorial.